Rubik's Cube competition is where every speedcuber wants to take first place in their discipline. And in this video I will show the moments when even the opponent admires your Rubik's Cube solving. Lucas Ether was preparing for his solution, but at that moment, Drew Brett sets the North American record.
Yes! Yes!
Deon Kinski sets a European record of 3:78 and Lugard sitting next to him couldn't ignore it.
8 seconds.
Yeah!
Phil Xandex set a world record in 4x4 and look at the guy on the right. Deon Kinski failed, and on his next attempt, Leo Barom shows how to solve Rubik's Cube.
And here we will see the starting second advantage. Leo will know what he has to beat, and he'll have to beat something good. No, the lockups on the T-perm. What? What? No way! No way! A 403! A 403! It looks like they did the same solution!
Phil Xandex made a great sub-6 in the World Championship final, and look at his opponent's reaction.